Canva isn't just a design app anymore, it's becoming your entire creative brain. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub for all the tech news. Canva just dropped a massive update called the Creative Operating System, turning the already user-friendly design tool into a full-blown AI-powered creator stream. The overall is designed for everyone, from global brands making slick presentations to parents designing soccer flyers. At the center is a shiny visual suite pushing Canva beyond static posts into video, email, 3D, and interactive content. The star of the show? Video 2.0. Canva's completely rebuilt video editor that blends pro-grade tools with beginner's ease. The new magic video feature can spin a simple text prompt into a fully polished video in seconds. But Canva's biggest flex might be its new AI design model, which is the first system that actually understands visual layout rules while keeping every font, frame, and color perfectly balanced. Users can also tag @Canva inside the editor to summon a built-in AI assistant for design help, changes, or creative inspiration. And the best part, Canva's newly Affinity suite, including tools for vector art, photo editing, and layout, is now free for all Canva users. Businesses aren't left out either. Canva will now act as a newsletter and data hub, letting teams design, send, and track campaigns directly in Canva. With this upgrade, Canva isn't just keeping up with Adobe, it's aiming for the design throne. Are you a Canva user? Are you happy with the update? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.